Brazilian waxing has come a long way, but the beauty world never stands still. In 2026, smoothness means more than just hair removal. It's about innovation, comfort, and conscious self-care. So, what's next in the evolution of Brazilian waxing? Let's explore the future of smooth, one innovation at a time. Beyond the basics, why waxing is evolving. Brazilian waxing remains a favorite for its clean and confident finish. But let's be honest, the process can be painful, and recovery isn't always easy. That's why the beauty industry is evolving fast. People are asking for smoother results with less irritation and more comfort. And brands are answering with smarter, gentler, and more sustainable solutions. The rise of the gentler touch, innovative techniques. The first big shift is the rise of gentler waxing methods. Sugar waxing 2.0 is leading the way, blending minerals and enzymes to lift hair effortlessly while keeping skin soft and calm. Hard Wax 2026 edition is designed to grip hair, not skin, meaning less discomfort and a cleaner finish. And hybrid techniques are combining sugar, resin, and cooling agents to deliver personalized comfort like never before. Tech takes over, devices and lasting smoothness. In 2026, technology is transforming the smoothness game. At-home IPL devices now come with adaptive sensors that recognize your skin tone and adjust automatically. Professional laser systems are faster, more precise, and work effectively across all skin types. And the next frontier is already here: light therapies and microneedling concepts designed to reduce regrowth from the root. This is the era of smart smoothness, where innovation meets everyday beauty. The personalization play, customization and aftercare. The next evolution is personalization. Before a waxing session, digital skin scanners help experts tailor treatments to your unique skin type and sensitivity level. After waxing, advanced serums, cooling masks, and recovery formulas extend smoothness and keep the skin healthy. Many salons are now introducing monthly subscriptions and loyalty programs to help clients stay consistent and confident. Waxing is no longer just a service, it's becoming a smart skincare experience. The future is now. What's next on the horizon? The future of Brazilian waxing is more conscious, connected, and holistic. Imagine a semi-permanent wax that naturally slows regrowth over time. Picture salons using plant-based, biodegradable waxes that are kind to both your skin and the planet. And beyond hair removal, combining exfoliation, hydration, and glow therapy in one session. In 2026 and beyond, smoothness isn't just about the surface, it's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. So, which trend excites you the most? Sugar waxing 2.0, tech-powered smoothness, or sustainable beauty? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MTH Health, where future beauty meets science, every week.